I had also completed, and I don't know, it's getting late. It's probably 7 or 8. I start this after my normal job, 4 or 5 o'clock. So we had flipped over this super heavy slab that had rebar that actually had me quite worried. Put this picnic table on, so now the picnic table will be dry. And we had went and exposed both of the intakes to this house. And I'll tell you, I leveled this house and it looks pretty darn good. The grass isn't growing all the way in, but it looks good. But this mess we went ahead and excavated. Now I'm not going to pull all the dirt out because I don't want anybody to step on the pipes and broke them. But there we are. So I have a little problem to solve here with this grading on this old house in the woods. And the problem is there's an AC unit here. There's this weird plumbing here where somebody put a filter externally to the house. Now, Texas gets cold, y'all, at 20 degrees Fahrenheit. It could even hit 0, right? But nonetheless, we go below 32. So the idea of having an externally exposed pipe is a mystery to me. In addition, an old filter that's never been maintained is a scary thing to have. So part of my process of getting this level is there are 2 of these. And so now it's all tangled up here. And the AC cables are right there for the air conditioning. I've got water here. This little flag right here, if you could see it, you can, it's off frame. There's a pipe coming in. In addition, loblolly pines are growing up all around me, and this whole thing is a tangle of impenetrable roots. I don't know if you can see that. Impenetrable roots is the right thing. It's just impenetrable roots. So anyway, I'm working on this right now, and I'll probably speed walk you through it, change the view to, just what I'm working on here, and that way if I break a pipe, I'll catch it. Hope not. I really hope not. And then once we have the pipe exposed, I've got some ground contact, for lack of a better word, shark bites, but they're made for ground contact, and I got 3/4 inch pecks. So I see PVC underneath there too. That surprises me. A lot of little surprises. This whole house has been super high quality, but something happened here, right, with this plumbing system. And anyway, let me try to get it fixed up. So all right, there you go. So from this point forward, I'm going to go ahead and just zoom in there. The pink flags there are air conditioning power, and somewhere right around here, and I had exposed when I started, there was a valve, a ball valve. So anyway, that's where we're at. And man, gosh, it's just I don't know, I might have to cut my way through those roots with a hatchet. Man, I hate the idea of swinging a hatchet around this water pipe. Just everything. This is whenever you do work on a house, always assume the absolute worst, and then it'll be 20% worse than that. I wish he wanted to put bricks in here too, you know. Yeah, you know, it worked for him, so. Okay, I discovered the pipe. Stones in there, power lines. The pinks are power lines for the AC, so 240, something that can whack me on my ass. The power's shut off. The water is still on. This is one of two. I thought it was all copper, but look, it's buried PEX of some kind or another. Alright. This part's copper here. So, you know, I think I'll go from here to get away from everything straight over to the PEX. I'll just bypass all of this mess here. That's what I think I'll do. But that's uncovered enough today. I ordered the parts. I ordered the parts for this project and they haven't come in yet, so I can't break line, you know. But I sure do want to get that done. All right, let's move on to the next little project here. I saw some buried plastic in the ground here, and that's something we don't do when we're trying to do grade. So the previous owners, they had buried plastic pots, so maybe they knew they were planting invasive species, bamboo and verbenas and stuff that shouldn't be here. So I'm finding these little plastic pots. Let's go ahead and bring the tractor around and dig that one up. That'll be fun for everybody.